Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI Poco X4 Pro. First of all, go into Play Store on both smartphones, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this app from this developer and click on Open. Over here you need to click on I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. Now you need to select Send on an Android and Receive on XIAOMI. Following that, tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of those files and transfer them. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one, like this song. Just send and tap on Got It. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on XIAOMI, choosing Allow or Only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key here and click on Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my song was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!